Just found out that my girlfriend has just bought or adopted a dog. One that she's been wanting for many, many years now. So I'm about ready to go downstairs and meet them.
Come meet our new girl.
All right, let's see her. Oh my God. Hi.
Is she just the cutest little thing?
Is she Goldie? Her name is?
Her name is Goldie Love,
Goldie
but I'm
Love.
gonna call her Goldie.
Goldie.
Bring her up.
Okay.
I don't realize you're a big fan of her.
Alrighty.
Alrighty. Come on out. She's like, what is this place? That's your dog bed. See, her tail's wagging. She's happy.
So we ended up getting a Dachshund, huh?
Yeah, Dachshund mix. They said they think she's mixed with Jack Russell Terrier, but we don't know for sure. Do you like her?
Yeah, she's cute. Pick her up.
What?
Pick her up.
Okay. Hey, honey. She was pretty good when I picked her up before, but I don't know. Since she just got out of the car, I don't know how she's scared. Hey, Goldie, can I pick you up? Can I pick you up, little lady?
That's your new mommy.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Hi.
It was, yeah, when she kissed me, I was like, okay, now I know. Her nails are really long, so we want to get them trimmed.
Oh, man.
Yeah!
Hi, well, welcome to your new home.
Yeah.
Hey, Goldie. Oh, man.
Yeah. I love her.
Yeah.
I do. Oh. Goldie meets Nathan. She's deciding how she feels. Oh, but Nathan likes her. Look at that cutie pie. She's deciding. Yeah. Like as much as like a.
Goldie. Over here. Hey. Aw.
Does she like it?
You want sitting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. In her new bed.
Goldie, are you camera shy? Look. I love you.
Yep. Welcome home, Goldie.
Yeah. Oh, puppy kisses. Thank you.